Join me as I dive deep into IBM stock and try to predict what's next for its future. Can I uncover some hidden insights? IBM stock has been on a wild ride lately, with shares experiencing some significant fluctuations. As one of the oldest and most iconic tech companies out there, IBM's performance is often seen as a bellwether for the industry as a whole. So, what's driving these ups and downs, and what can we expect from Big Blue in the coming months? IBM's facing some tough challenges, particularly in the cloud sector, where it's struggling to keep pace with rivals like Amazon and Microsoft. The company's traditional hardware and software businesses are under pressure, and it's having to adapt quickly to shifting market demands. This has led to some concerns among investors about IBM's long-term viability. The competition in the cloud space is fierce, and IBM's not yet a leader in this market. Additionally, the company's been dealing with declining revenue in some of its core businesses, which has put a damper on its stock price. IBM's also had to navigate some significant changes in the tech landscape, including the rise of artificial intelligence and the growing importance of data analytics. These challenges have weighed heavily on IBM's stock, which has traded in a relatively narrow range over the past year. Can the company turn things around, or will it continue to struggle? That's what we're trying to figure out. So, what's IBM doing to address these challenges? Well, the company has made some strategic acquisitions, including its purchase of Red Hat, a leading provider of open-source software solutions. This deal is expected to boost IBM's cloud offerings and help it better compete with its rivals. IBM's also been investing heavily in emerging technologies like AI and blockchain, which are expected to drive growth in the years to come. The company recently launched a new suite of AI-powered software tools, designed to help businesses automate and streamline their operations. These moves are aimed at driving growth and profitability, but it's unclear how quickly they'll pay off. IBM's also been focused on expanding its services business, which provides a more stable source of revenue. The Red Hat acquisition is a key part of IBM's strategy, and investors are eagerly awaiting signs of success. IBM's management team is confident that these initiatives will drive long-term value for shareholders. Financial experts are weighing in on IBM's prospects, and their views are mixed. Some analysts believe the company's efforts to transform itself are starting to bear fruit, while others are more skeptical about its ability to compete in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. According to a recent report, IBM stock has a 12-month price target of $150, which represents a potential upside of around 20% from current levels. However, there are also some potential risks on the horizon, including increased competition and a possible economic downturn. Upcoming events, such as IBM's quarterly earnings report, could provide some insight into the company's progress. Investors are also eagerly awaiting the company's annual investor conference, which is expected to provide an update on its strategic plans. In the near term, IBM's stock price will likely be influenced by its ability to execute on its strategic plans and deliver growth in its key businesses. To sum it up, IBM stock is at a crossroads, with both potential risks and rewards on the table. The company's efforts to transform itself and adapt to changing market conditions are critical to its long-term success. If you've got thoughts on IBM's future, I'd love to hear them. Let me know in the comments below. Check out my other videos for more financial insights and analysis, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.